Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rekt token. R-E-K-T is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap and it just got listed on two big central exchanges. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Rekt token. So their official Twitter is @RektARB because this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. This is a brand new token. Their Twitter actually has 23,100 Twitter followers. They just joined on Twitter in January 2023 this year, so fairly new project here. This token just got listed on two different central exchanges. So it just got listed today on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search REKT, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it was just announced 9 hours ago. It says MEXC new listing alert. Rekt paired with USDT trading is now live in the assessment zone. So you can get this in the spot trading assessment zone on MEXC Global as of today, paired with USDT. Now, it was also just announced on Hotbit's Twitter that it says new listing alert on Hotbit here. Users can now deposit Rekt in preparation for trading. So it says trading opens on the 23rd, which is today, at 11 a.m. UTC time. So you could start trading Rekt also on Hotbit. And it's not paired with USDT on Hotbit. It is paired with NUSD. So you could check that out. Trading opens 11 a.m. UTC time today on Hotbit. And I also have a Hotbit referral code down there if you don't have a Hotbit account. So MEXC Global and Hotbit trading opens today. MEXC is USDT and Hotbit is NUSD. It also got listed today on CoinMarketCap, and right now it is up 64.53%, doing very well. Fully diluted market cap, $13.5 million. 24-hour trading volume right now, $23.1 million. And again, this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. So it says Rekt is a rectionary project that is created to rectify your portfolio. Let's get Rekt together on Arbitrum. Their official Twitter is @RektARB. And on their Twitter, it says they're from Rektland, which is probably a great place to live. So if you head over to their webpage or their CoinMarketCap page here, you can find the price, the charge, the contract address. All of that is available on CoinMarketCap. Their official webpage is rektarb.xyz. And if we head over to their official webpage, this is definitely a meme coin, by the way. So if we head over to their official webpage, they have the Rektonomics. The token, that's all about getting Rekt. At Rekt, we believe that investing should be thrilling, not boring. You get Rekt now. A total of, what is that? 84 trillion tokens are now available to be claimed by those who have claimed the ARB airdropped. Rekt tokens that have not been claimed within 31 days will be burned. So they have that on their webpage where you can connect your wallet. If somehow you got involved with that, you can claim those tokens. So it says, welcome to Rekt, the token that's all about getting wrecked. At Rekt, we believe that investing should be thrilling, not boring. That's why we have created a token that is designed for people who want to take risks, have fun, and maybe get even a little bit wrecked along the way. So if you're tired of playing it safe and want to join the craziest ride in the crypto world, then Rekt is the token for you. With us, you can wreck your portfolio and embrace the chaos of the market. So join Rekt Army today and rectify the portfolio. But remember, it's not about the destination. It's all about the Rekt journey. So token allocation is on their webpage here. It says 0% buy and sell tax if you are going to get this off a decentralized exchange. Now, the total supply of this token is 420 quadrillion tokens, of course. 10% of the tokens go to the team, which are locked for 6 months. 15% go to marketing. 55% LP and staking rewards, and 20% airdrop. Now, they have their airdrop link on here. They have Rektonomics, About Us. They don't have tons of info on their page. It is basically a meme coin, like I mentioned earlier. Now, their Telegram, which is at RektARB, has 10,234 subscribers to it. So their Twitter and their Telegram are both doing very well. On CoinMarketCap here, yeah, it's up 66% right now, doing pretty well today. There's mixed comments on CoinMarketCap. Some people are worried, obviously, about the title of the token, saying, hey, if you invest in this token, you're going to get exactly what the name is of the token. You're going to get wrecked. Why would anybody buy a token named Rekt? But yeah, I mean, you could potentially get wrecked. Now, it is available on the Arbitrum network and Uniswap as well, paired with USDC, wrapped ETH, USDT through the Arbitrum blockchain, so you can get it that way as well. I mean, the easiest way, I would say, is to get it through MEXC Global paired with USDT, and then the second easiest way would be Hotbit, and then third easiest way would be Arbitrum blockchain with a Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. But yeah, check this token out on CoinMarketCap. Check out the MEXC and Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. Do you guys like getting wrecked or what? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.